Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the console and inserting fresh batteries in the Ps5 media remote. This gives reliable pairing. Once done, go to Settings, then Accessories, then General. You choose the Remote Control or Bluetooth Accessories option and select Add or Pair Remote. The console searches and shows the remote name. Select it. Make sure the console remains awake and near the remote while pairing so the Bluetooth exchange completes without drops. You'll use the directional pad and OK button to move through Ps5 menus and launch streaming apps quickly. Once a video plays, press play/pause for transport control, skip to jump forward, and rewind for going back. Use the numeric and app shortcut buttons to jump to services or toggle subtitles. Make sure to press firmly, but not long. Short presses trigger navigation, while longer presses can access alternate functions or repeat. You complete setup by testing volume and power control. Enable HDMI-CC on your TV so the remote can adjust volume and turn the TV on or off. Once confirmed, head back to settings to customize button mappings or app shortcuts if available. If the remote fails to respond, replace batteries first, then repair the device through accessories settings. If pairing still fails, reboot the Ps5 and try again. This often clears Bluetooth glitches and restores normal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.